Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a beauty bundle perfect for Mother's Day: the Shark CryoGlow Lilac Chill LED Face Mask and SmoothStyle Heated Comb. Now, if you're looking for a way to treat the mom in your life or yourself to a top-tier beauty experience, this set promises skin rejuvenation and flawless hair, all without the risk of heat damage. Let's break it down and see if it really delivers. So first off, this bundle includes two distinct products: the CryoGlow LED Face Mask and the SmoothStyle Heated Comb. The CryoGlow is designed to refresh and rejuvenate the skin, particularly under the eyes, with its MedSpa-inspired treatments. It combines cooling technology with LED light therapy. Both red and blue LEDs are used to target signs of aging and blemishes. It promises to work wonders by revitalizing tired, stressed skin with anti-aging and blemish repair benefits. On the other hand, the SmoothStyle Heated Comb is all about perfecting your hair. It provides a heat-free styling experience that helps smooth, volumize, and reduce frizz. Plus, it's suitable for all hair types, so no one is left out. As far as practical use goes, these devices are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. I found the CryoGlow mask to be incredibly relaxing. It sits comfortably on your face, offering an almost spa-like sensation, especially when you're targeting that delicate under-eye area. The cooling effect feels refreshing, and the LED lights pulse gently as they work. Over time, it's supposed to help reduce puffiness, fine lines, and other signs of fatigue. The SmoothStyle Heated Comb is a bit of a game changer too. No more worrying about high heat damaging your hair. It uses gentle heat to smooth your strands, leaving them with a natural shine and reduced frizz. The comb design is easy to maneuver, and the heat is just enough to help style without causing dryness. It's definitely a step up from traditional blow-dry brushes that rely on high heat. Now let's talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, both devices are super easy to use. The CryoGlow is ideal for anyone with tired, stressed skin or those looking to boost their skincare routine without the need for expensive spa treatments. It feels like a high-end product without the hefty price tag. The SmoothStyle Comb also stands out because it delivers smooth, voluminous hair without using high heat, perfect for those who want the styling benefits without the damage. But there are some downsides. The CryoGlow mask might take a bit of time to show visible results, especially if you're using it only once in a while. For some, the LED light treatments might seem gimmicky at first, though there's some solid science behind it. As for the SmoothStyle Comb, while it does provide a smooth finish, it might not offer the same long-lasting style that a traditional blow dryer could give, particularly for thicker hair types. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this bundle is well priced considering the innovation behind both products. The CryoGlow mask offers the kind of skin benefits you'd expect from expensive spa treatments, while the SmoothStyle Comb brings a unique approach to styling. The fact that you're getting both in one bundle makes it a good investment if you're looking for a combination of skincare and hair care. In terms of comparisons, there are a few other LED masks and heatless styling tools out there, but this combo offers a solid balance of both in one package. Other devices may focus solely on skin or hair, but if you want to address both concerns with one bundle, Shark delivers something you won't find often. In terms of build quality, both products feel solid. The CryoGlow mask is lightweight and comfortable, with a well-thought-out design that ensures the cooling and LED functions work as intended. The SmoothStyle Comb is sturdy and features user-friendly controls, making it simple to use daily. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are some cheaper options on the market for each product individually, but you might miss out on the unique combination that Shark offers here. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution, you might opt for a traditional facial mask or a standard blow-dry brush, but these won't have the same tech-infused approach. In conclusion, I'd recommend this bundle to anyone looking to elevate their beauty routine with a touch of luxury. It's perfect for someone who values skin and hair health but doesn't want to compromise on results. The CryoGlow mask can help revitalize tired skin, while the SmoothStyle Comb offers frizz-free, voluminous hair without heat damage, both of which are top priorities for anyone focused on long-term beauty maintenance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.